Hey, welcome to the channel Yoga with THB. Before moving forward, make sure to subscribe the channel for getting videos on psychological, physical and educational information. And if you're already a subscriber, then click the little bell icon next to the subscribe button so you get notified of our future videos.
The era is changed. Back in early 2000s, it was way more difficult for teachers to guide and assist. More scientifically proved techniques, visual aids and methods are introduced that give a helping hand to teachers to increase the zone of proximal development. And students are facilitated in the best possible way. They learn and develop. Zone of proximal development was a key construct in theory of learning and development. It is defined as the space between what a learner can do without assistance and what a learner can do with assistance or in collaboration with more capable peers. Practical implementation of zone of proximal development is shown in this video. Me and my group visited a school and students were taught how they can learn with an assistance of an adult. The first activity was to enhance mathematical skills. Firstly, teacher asked students simple and basic one-digit multiplication questions. They readily and spontaneously gave answers. Then the level of difficulty was increased and two-digit multiplication questions were written on the board. Students were a bit confused and were not able to do the question. Teacher taught them the main concept with the help of teacher and her assistants. The students were able to learn two-digit multiplication and their zone of proximal development was increased. In this video we saw how little effort, assistance and guidance can increase the zone of proximal development of a student, even of a child. Teacher is always there to polish a skill and through proper channel the students learn things and concepts more thoroughly. A student always require, or it won't be wrong to say, a student is always in search of assistance, that there should be someone to guide and assist. They are really looking forward toward their instructor, the one who is professionally trained in his field, so he can assist student with the proper expertise and can increase the zone of proximal development of a student. Level of difficulty was increased. Words such as biology and physics were given to students and they were asked to pronounce these words. Somehow they were able to do so. More complicated and complex words such as psychometry and cognitive were written on the board. Now students were not able to pronounce these complex and complicated words. Using a technique, syllable and clap technique, they were assisted and guided how to pronounce these words. With the help of teacher and a technique used, they were able to pronounce these words successfully. Last activity was one-leg race. Every child know how to run and how to maintain their balance on two legs. In this activity, they were taught how to maintain their balance on one leg. Now they were able to learn and successfully they had a one-leg race. They were able to pronounce these words successfully. Last activity was one-leg race. Every child know how to run and how to maintain their balance on two legs. In this activity, they were taught how to maintain their balance on one leg.